Hello YouTube, this is just a brief video to let everybody know that today is August 5th, which means the deadline to send in your donation gift for the August 8th webinar was yesterday. So if I haven't received it from you, then the gates are closed, the doors are closed. We are filled to capacity anyways, which is awesome. I got the number of people that I wanted, so the room is packed. And now it's a matter of waiting till 1400 hours Eastern Standard Now space, Tuesday, August 8th, for the webinar. I've been working on it pretty hard. I've been going over the material, and I think the people will really like the value that I'm providing for them during those 2 hours or so of webinar. So again, thanks to everybody who applied. Thanks for those who actually followed through, sent the donations, and you will receive the confidential link to the webinar shortly before the scheduled time. Please make sure that your correct name is displayed on the screen, on your Zoom screen, and make sure that your video and audio are working correctly. So you might want to take a few test runs before you log in. And you got plenty of time to do that because today's the 5th, it's Saturday, you got Sunday, you got Monday, and then Tuesday is the webinar. So thanks again, and I will see you on the 8th.